compute your clusters, what are some of the options?
The LPA2 receptor is one of a series of cell surface proteins activated by lipids that occur naturally in biological fluids such as blood and is important for cell survival and growth.
So these 2D descriptors.
However, the mechanisms, structure, and functions of the LPA2 receptor are not yet fully understood.
My project is a computational project. The whole point and the end goal result of it is to make a binary QSAR model. Here's just some of the compounds.
Farhan, a junior chemistry major and a student in the Helen Hardin Honors Program, is working in Dr. Abby Perrell's bioorganic computational lab at the U of M. There, he is making 3D models of molecules that bind to these receptors and working to derive a statistical model relating the molecule structures to their biological activities.
The goal is to build a model that can help explain and predict the activity of new compounds, perhaps compounds that haven't even been made yet, so that we can better result in therapeutic effect against cancer and cardiovascular disease.
Farhan sees this research having huge benefits in his future academic career.
If I do want to go to grad school, it's just good to know that you have some kind of research, already started. For med schools, it just looks good that you had something on your resume, that it's research, that you're actually doing something in the medical field in this database.
LPA2 receptors could be a key to combating the side effects of chemotherapy in cancer patients, making treatment more effective.
Radiation kills the cells, and if you turn on the LPA2 receptor, it will help prevent that.
By using statistical analysis to model the receptor activity, the group hopes to be able to find ways to target these receptors in the fight against cancer. Farhan knew he wanted to do research and approached Dr. Perrell about joining her team.
It's not unheard of, but it is particularly compelling to me as a researcher when a student comes to me and says, I would really like to get involved in your research.
Throughout the experience, Dr. Perrell has seen growth in Farhan.
I've seen him become more invested in his project, to become much better at asking the questions he needs to ask in order to know the most important directions in which to go.
And Farhan is getting just as much out of the research as he is putting in.
It's just a great way to give back to the university, and it just after seeing all the results, all the hard work you put into your research and seeing the end results of it, how it helps the academic world, or helps someone using your research and building upon it, and be like, hey, I helped do that, it's really amazing.
For the University of Memphis, I'm Nicole Blum, junior journalism major.